Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nokia X10 and let me share with you how to check IMEI and serial number of this device. So basically we've got two different ways to check those numbers. The first one is the quickest one and it requires a secret code, and the second is by using the settings, and of course I'll show you both options. So I'd like to start with the secret code. We have to open the dialer because it is the place to enter it, and the code for the IMEI number is *#06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. So let me tap on OK. And let me show you another way to check those numbers. It will be useful if for some reason the secret code won't work. So, or if you will forget the secret code. So let's enter the settings. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. And as you can see, we have to scroll down just a little bit. In the device details, we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. And if you'd like to check the serial number, just tap on Model and Hardware, which is right above the IMEI numbers. And the serial number is right in the middle. So basically that's all. This is how to check IMEI and serial number using two different ways in your Nokia X10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.